Hi, sometimes you want to create scatter plots that have data in discontiguous cells. What that means is I might want to plot age versus earnings, something like that. And it's one way to do that is to select a bunch of data and then hold down the control key and select an equal amount of data. That's one way. But if you have a lot of data, that can be a little problematic. So another approach is to select a lot of data, and I'll just select all the columns. So I want to do age versus earnings. That's another approach. And then I can insert a scatter chart. And I've got all this extra data that I don't need. I've got rounds and cuts made and events and things like that. So if I right-click on Select Data, I can say, well, remove that, and remove that, and remove that, and end up with just earnings. That's what I want. So that's age versus earnings there. That's one approach. So not much of a correlation there. And then if I right-click and add a trend line, in newer versions, it's going to look different, but this is the basic idea. So you can add a trend line. Not a very good fit. That trend line doesn't model the data very well.